Elephant token still going up and to the right. About time I do an update on some price action, where the Treasury's at, and did Bank Teller give a hint on how high he thinks this thing can go? Let's dig in. I want to start by giving a shout out to the whole elephant community since the last video I did. You guys have been super supportive. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, let's take a look at some price action. Elephant's still on an upward trend, definitely. This is the daily. There was quite a bit of a pullback the last day or so. So it's down. The price is around 11.34 right now, which is still up from my last video I made. Got all the way up to 12.18 at one point. The whole market's kind of iffy right now. They got another Fed meeting this week, so it should be interesting to see what happens with the rest of the market. Elephant's definitely been able to outperform the rest of the market, so we'll see if that continues this coming week. There was one huge sell. There was a $92,258 sell. That was 773 billion elephant tokens. So that was that big red candle right here. So that's a lot. So that's 100 grand. That's and that did some damage, but not a ton. So it's been very, very resilient. We take a look at the wallets, the highest wallets. Again, the 50%, 50.3% is the graveyard. The second highest one is the elephant BNB pair on PancakeSwap. The third is the Bertha with the Treasury, which is 95.221 trillion. And then the fourth is the BUSD elephant pair. And there's Bank Teller said in that interview that his wallet had 4.5 trillion in it. So I believe this with the sixth wallet down is his. And if we scroll down and look at the other wallets, everything else is about the same as last video. There's still the one guy that's got the 0.825. And then there's Bank Teller's wallet, and then there's one close to him, and then it drops off considerably down the list. So then considering that guy the other day dropped close to 700 and something billion tokens, that did some damage, but it recovered pretty quickly. A couple other things I want to point out is to buy Elephant, the best way to do it is to buy with Bertha, not on PancakeSwap. You buy with Bertha, a percentage of that goes to the Treasury. But when it's locked in the Treasury, that helps the protocol, and then the price goes up. So make sure you buy with Bertha on here. That's the way to go. For the foreseeable future, always buy with Bertha if you're buying Elephant tokens. Also, if we go to the trunk side, there is Raffle. If we get you can get in the Raffle by minting, I think it's 5+ trunk. So all you have to do is come in here and mint 5+ trunk to enter the Raffle. The Raffle prize is pretty huge. It looks like you win for the max depositor. So far the max depositor right now is 1.3k, and then the prize for the Raffle itself, it ends in 19 hours 28 minutes, is 22.7 thousand trunk tokens. To do the math really quick, 22,700 times, I think it's 21 cents, 21 and a half cents almost. That's like 5 grand. So that's huge. Nice. And all you have to do is mint up 5 to get in the Raffle. So another thing Bank Teller said in the interview is that he didn't seem like he was worried about the trunk token right now. He's just worried about getting the Elephant Treasury going. Like I said last video, I think he just wants to pump that token up. I think he said something about a 10x. It hasn't done a 10x yet. That's when he's gotten to where it's gotten to where he wants it to go, is a 10x. I'm not sure if 10x from where it's at now or 10x from where it was after the exploit. But either way, those are huge gains. And again, those are not my words, those are his. The 10x was what he said in the interview. So yeah, I could 10x from here would be ridiculous, but if it's 10x from the bottom, That's more likely, I guess. That would be up to 5,000. We got a long way to go. We still got we'd have another 5x from where we're at now. One more thing, I wanted to check the Treasury compared to my last video. So the last video, let's see, it's 95.3. Calculator out 95.3 right now. My last video was 94.18. 94.18. So it's 1.12 trillion tokens more than it was. So it's still going up quite a bit, and that's not in that big of a period of time. So we're heading in the right direction. Like, just the market is just so iffy right now, and it's just still going so, smoothly up. Like, I have faith in it until it breaks this trend line. It hasn't come even close to breaking the trend line yet. So we'll see what happens in the coming days with the Fed's decision, I guess, on Wednesday. It might give the market some relief, or it could be more downside. We're just going to find out Tuesday and Wednesday, I think it is. So, okay, I just wanted to do a quick video and not leave you guys hanging. Appreciate all the support. I'm not selling any trunk till we get to 5x from here. So, 5555. Bunch of zeros. I think it's 6 zeros, and then 5555. That's what I'm selling. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know. We'll see. See how it goes. We'll see what happens this Wednesday with the Fed decision. All right, the herd is strong. I can see that by the charts. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and like the video. As always, thank you for watching, and have a great day.